we're pulling anhydrous on Christmas Eve and it's snowing. Nah, just kidding. I want to say it's November, the night of November 14th. I got back to my carpentry job today, and what better time to try to make up some anchors than to pull after dark in the middle of a mild snowstorm. It is a wet one. It's 30 degrees out, snowing, whatever, but I don't plan on pulling a long time, but if I can get a couple acres here and there, I'll be a happier guy when the ground does freeze. So right now I'm pulling a 13 knife anhydrous bar. I got a twin tank or side by side. That equals somewhere between 36 acres and 40 acres worth of anhydrous. I haven't been pulling for too long, but I've done about 3 acres already. And yeah, that's about all I can say, other than I wouldn't typically like to be doing this, but there is a certain cool Christmas feeling about pulling anhydrous when it's snowing. And my tradition has always been in fall applied hydrous that I get going on listening to Mannheim Steamroller and any one of your Christian Christmas carols, as well as Trans-Siberian Orchestra. So I will be sure to dub that over the whole video. Last but not least, I'm putting down about 160 pounds of N for the future corn crop. There are guys that do less, there are guys that do more, and at the end of the day, well, at the end of the year rather, we're all harvesting upwards, sometimes well over 200 bushel corn. It's really just what kind of floats your boat. I will add that to stabilize the nitrogen in the ground through the freezing and thawing over the winter, we do put stabilizer in it, and our brand that we went, or with what the co-op went with this year, was Function. Other than that, I'm just watching. There's 3 gauges down here, and those are for my 3 shutoffs, as I have 3 manual shutoffs on my monitor here. And when you start finishing off parts of the field and you have quote-unquote point roads, you can shut those off one section at a time, and that saves, in the end, it saves you some product, it saves you money, as opposed to just one shut off the whole width of the bar, which that's actually why we're running this larger bar this year. We own our own anhydrous bar, but it's only an 11 knife, and it is no shut off. It's just one full width, and that's it. But I felt with the expensive anhydrous this year that it would behoove us to rent this bar from the co-op where we have some shut-offs. I figured on a year like this, with the expensive nitrogen, it probably pay for its own rental in doing that. And to boot, we get a little bit more width, get a little bit more done. In the time I've been talking to you, we've already covered another acre. So, and my goal tonight has been, if I can, safely, to run 20 acres out, which is about 1 tank. We'll see how the temperatures and conditions go tomorrow. I might be able to run out the rest of tomorrow, or the rest of the tanks tomorrow night. So we'll just have to see. Anyway, thanks for listening. Merry Christmas.